Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook delicious yam patties. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of fresh yams, which is roughly 2 medium-sized yams for the base. For aromatics, grab 1 small onion, 1 colorful bell pepper, and 2 cloves of garlic. To bind everything together, have 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 large egg ready. Finally, season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and a tiny pinch of cayenne pepper for a little kick. These simple ingredients will create a flavorful foundation. Now that we have our ingredients, let's prepare the star of the show, the yams. Begin by carefully peeling about 2 pounds of fresh yams, then cut them into uniform 1-inch cubes. This ensures they cook evenly. Next, boil these yam cubes in lightly salted water for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are perfectly fork tender. Once cooked, drain them very thoroughly to prevent soggy patties. Finally, mash the yams until they are completely smooth, making sure there are no large lumps left behind. This smooth texture is key for our patties. With our yams mashed, it's time to bring all the flavors together. First, finely dice your 1 small onion, 1 bell pepper, and 2 cloves of garlic. Sauté these diced vegetables in a little oil until they are soft and wonderfully fragrant, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Now, in a large bowl, combine your mashed yams, the sautéed vegetables, 1/2 cup of flour, 1 large egg, and all your seasonings. Mix everything until it's well combined. Then, form the mixture into 8 to 10 uniform patties, each about 1/2 inch thick. Consistency is important for even cooking. Finally, let's cook these delicious yam patties. Heat about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, carefully place your formed yam patties into the pan, making sure not to overcrowd them. You might need to cook them in batches. Cook each side for approximately 3 to 4 minutes, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and a wonderfully crispy exterior. Serve these hot, savory yam patties immediately. They are fantastic on their own or with a zesty dipping sauce. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.